5 tips on how to find a copywriting mentor. Tip number 1, and that is to look at their copywriting portfolio. Now, you probably could find it probably on their website. Sometimes you might see it on their social media platform like LinkedIn. So you can certainly take example and take a look at, what kind of pieces have they created? Have they created email sequences? Have they created Facebook ads? Have they created landing pages? And sometimes you can even see their own websites and landing pages, and that might give you a clue as to how good their pieces of copy are. Tip number 2, and you want to take a look at their website and social medias to figure out what kind of person are they? Are they somebody who you would want to invite to a family dinner? Is it somebody you can resonate with? And again, a mentor, if you find a good one, is usually for life, right? It's not just some coach, it's not some teacher. It's really somebody who, you can look up to guide you onto the path that you want. Tip number 3, and figure out what kind of copywriting do they specialize in. Is it emails? Is it things like landing pages, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, video script ads? Which is it? Now that depends on which one you want to specialize in. So definitely do your research on figuring out what kind of ads they typically do. And in the world of copywriting, it's not realistic for everybody to be good at everything. For most copywriters, they'll probably have like a general understanding of what most copywriting pieces, but usually they're going to pick a field to specialize in because again, you're going to make much more money as a specialist than as a generalist. Tip number 4, and you want to find out how much sales they have generated with their pieces of copy, right? How much did they produce? Now you may be able to find that on their website. You may even be able to ask them, how much money have they generated with that? And ask yourself the question, is the results they have produced with their copy something you want to do? Is it something that works with, your goals? So that's something you need to ask yourself and find out. Tip number 5, and see if there's any student testimonials. Now, some mentors may have a few, some may have plenty, but you typically want to take a look at what their students have produced, see what kind of results, what they say about their mentor. Those are things you want to pay attention and see if if that resonates with what you want in a mentor. If you have any questions about finding the right copywriting mentor, post in the comments down below and let me know. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and notification button to know when the next video will come out. Also, give me a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm if you liked the video. I'll see you next time.